Ava versus Kickoff 2025. Which credit builder is better? Building credit in 2025 requires smart tools, and Ava and Kickoff are two popular options. Which one should you choose? Ava is a secured credit card with reporting to all three major credit bureaus. Most people get this wrong. They assume you need a large deposit, but Ava allows flexible funding and encourages responsible spending. You won't believe what happens next. Timely payments help improve your credit score, and some plans include perks like cashback or rewards. Kickoff, on the other hand, is a no-interest line of credit specifically designed to build credit. You borrow small amounts, repay on time, and the activity is reported to credit bureaus. Its main advantage is that there are no hidden fees or interest, making it ideal for first-time credit users. Pricing and accessibility differ. Ava may require a minimum deposit, while Kickoff only requires identity verification. Ava offers more traditional credit experience, while Kickoff is simpler and beginner-friendly. So, which is better? If you want a full credit card experience with rewards, Ava is the choice. If you want a low-risk, easy way to establish credit, Kickoff is smarter. The surprising truth is that building credit isn't about spending, it's about consistent, responsible reporting, and both Ava and Kickoff can help you achieve that if used wisely.